What's up guys, TechShan here back with another video. An amazing 5.1 speaker system that you can connect to your smartphone, tablet, computer, TV, DVD player and whatnot. This video is all about that. Sit back and enjoy, and how about you smash the like button if you end up liking this video. I hope you guys will do it. Alright. Boomba, check this out. FND F5060X 5.1 multimedia home speakers. This is the retail box. FND is a brand that needs no introduction in the audio space. They have some pretty cool audio products. Let's unbox this huge box and talk more. Cut open, first you have the 5 satellite speakers. Then the subwoofer. Next, a packet with accessories and cables. You have the remote with battery, RCA to 3.5mm cable, 3 RCA to RCA cables, and finally the manual, which is a must read. That's about the box. Here is a closer look at the FND F5060X 5.1 multimedia home speaker. Alright, first let's quickly talk about the design and build. I personally love it. This is a very solid looking speaker system, and the all matte black finish looks cool and stylish. The subwoofer unit comes in this nice grille design and color changing LED lighting, which definitely looks uber cool. It is an 8-inch subwoofer with 60 watts output. On the satellite speakers, they are all good. You get 1 center, 2 front and 2 rear speakers, in which each has a 3-inch driver with 1-inch tweeter. Each speaker is 15 watts. The total output of the speaker system is 135 watts, and trust me, it is super loud with insane bam boom bass. The front, right, left and center speaker cable is approximately 2.15 meters in length, and the rear speaker cable is approximately 7.65 meters in length. If needed, you can get extension cables and extend them depending on your rear speaker placement. The satellite speakers can be placed on a flat surface, or you can even wall mount it. You have a slot given for that as well. Before we talk about the audio quality, let me show you the features what this 5.1 speaker system has to offer. Let's start with the remote. Almost every aspect of the speaker you can control using this, and it's self-explanatory. Input selection, volume, modes, next, previous. You can even control the volume of each speaker individually. Cool, right? Coming to the subwoofer, well, the LED lighting is one of the main highlights which you can control with the remote. Adds a nice vibe. Even you can turn it off if you don't need the lighting. Center area, you have the power button, sound button to switch between 2.1 and 5.1, source input selection, then a small digital display showing you the input mode you are in, the next, previous, play, pause and a scan button for FM radio. Yes, this also has FM radio inbuilt. You know what, these buttons definitely you won't be using unless you lose the remote. Haha. Side, a USB port to play songs directly from your pen drive. You can also connect your smartphone, tablet or whatever via Bluetooth and stream music wirelessly. Cool, right? To the back of the subwoofer is where you have the ports to connect the speakers. First, connect the 5 satellite speakers to the subwoofer. Follow the markings. Front right goes here, front left goes here, and so on. And then this is the audio input. You have the aux input and the aux cable is in the box, so you can connect it to your desktop, laptop or TV. Most commonly, 2-channel audio will be split across 5 speakers in 5.1 sound mode to give you an amazing sound experience. However, when you connect using the RCA cable and play true 5.1 audio files or movie formats, you get the surround sound audio experience as per that file. DVD players and even in some TVs, you get the RCA slots. However, new smart TVs, you get digital optic port. But this unfortunately does not have a digital optic port. So when you're streaming true 5.1 content, say from Amazon, Netflix, and you want to enjoy the true surround sound experience, well, don't worry. All you need to get is a 5.1 channel digital audio decoder adapter like this and connect the speaker system to your TV using the RCA cables. FND could have given an optical port for sure, so that will count as a bummer. Anyways, here is a chart which will help you with your speaker placement. This speaker system will be more than enough for a medium-sized room. Alright, now let's talk audio. As said, bam boom, you will totally love it. Super loud, clear vocals, thumping bass, very little distortion at max volume for music and movie watching. This will totally impress you guys. Though you won't get a true feel of the audio sample which I'm going to play, because the audio that you'll be hearing is from the speaker of the gadget that you're watching this video. In person, it's just wow. Still, here is a sample. I could go even louder but don't want to wake the neighbors. Haha. But take my word, excellent audio experience for music and movie watching. I'm impressed. Now if you ask me if there's something that I don't like about the speaker, well, I do have two things. First, as said, the lack of an inbuilt digital optic port is a bummer. But the workaround would be to get an adapter like this. Second, the lighting effects are cool. However, if it can change depending on the music played or had equalizer style gradient effects, that would have been cool. Now it's just static lights changing in random. Minus that, this costs around Rs 9,999. But during sale days, you can get it for around 8,500. Keep an eye. Definitely a cool 5.1 speaker system to check out. Has excellent audio, thumping bass, good design and build, and 1-year warranty. If you'd like to consider this, I will leave the best link in the description. Check it out. So that's it for this video about the FNT F5060X 5.1 speaker system. Hope you guys found it informative. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then.